Hi there, everyone. This is Victor, though you may or may not recognize me from my lovely mouth bra here. Now, coming to you from lockdown city in Singapore, we have another tutorial for you guys. In case you have problems with your charging port, now on the 09 or 010, we have a tutorial here to teach you how to replace that charging port. Right, so we have a 010 here as an example. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just simply replace the charging port for you to show you how easy it is with a simple tool like that. It's just a wrench, for nut, and it takes a matter of seconds to remove the charging port, so that charging ports could be damaged because the scooter falls, because something scraped it, the metal aluminum casing around the charging port. So for a variety of reasons, you may need to replace the charging port. So here's how it's done. We have a prior video, you can check it out up here, of how to change the 08 charging port. That's fairly easy because that's on the plastic front cover. Now for the 09 and 10, it's on the sides. Now for this charging ports that's located on the sides, they are a little bit hard to reach, so you might have to use a special tool, right, like this, or you can just use a needle nose plier to get it out. But with this tool, it will make your job a lot easier. So we'll show you how it works with the tool, and sorry, it keeps falling off. We'll show you how it works with the tool, and if you need help without the tool, let us know, drop us a comment, and we'll try to help you out. Remove the plastic guard, front plastic guard. On the 08, you have the charging port right here, so it's fairly easy to remove, because all you need to do is to remove the front plastic guard, and then straight away you can see the nut at the back of the plastic guard on the inside, and you can just undo it. Now for this 010 and 09, it's slightly different, a bit more complicated. Right, so that comes off. Be careful not to pull on the wires too hard, because there's some wires that are still kind of hot glued to the back, right? Especially the LED wires. Move the battery charging port. Right, so if you have the charger, right, you have this tool, which is something that dealers would have. Okay, so this is what you'll see inside. Right, just use that tool, insert it into that hole, and rotate the charging port. There you go. All right. Now we're going to replace it, right? So let's tighten it back up and see how easy it is to tighten it up. Right, just insert the tool, clamp it there, and keep turning the connector on the outside. Right, just make sure it's hand tight. You don't need to use any Loctite or anything like that. Okay, so there you have it. It's from the end, and voila, right? Just connect back the charging connectors, to the battery and replace this front plastic guard.